He done the be as if say IPOB people they no wan hear themselves well again for this country. No. We don't know wetin dey happen. The former right man of Nnamdi Kanu, Uche Mefo, now he come speak loud for him Facebook page. He come talk say him as the former right man of Nnamdi Kanu, where we say na I and Nnamdi Kanu form this IPOB. He talk say I don't turn back. I don't turn my back to Nnamdi Kanu and the so-called IPOB where we say he talk say in the lead. They go ask him, okay, as former right hand of Nnamdi Kanu, why you do that thing? He come talk say Nnamdi Kanu, he don't they use that avenue of IPOB, don't they use them as business venture. He talk say Nnamdi Kanu, don't they use them to they earn money for himself. He talk say Nnamdi Kanu, don't they use them to they thief some money, say some particular money they missing, and Nnamdi Kanu be the leader. He talk say for that cause, he don't lay a course, he don't place an heavy course. We be saying fast, generation upon generation, no fit even cleanse some for Nnamdi Kanu head. He don't say he don't put course on his head. In fact, he don't put course on IPOB as a whole. You niggas not forget say Dokubo, Masari Dokubo, he said he talk that kind of thing one time like that. He talk him say Nnamdi Kanu say na thief. Nnamdi Kanu saying they do this kind of thing, they do this kind of thing. In case you don't forget, say Dokubo say talk him. Which make Dokubo he himself go establish one group, himself call himself leader. So which means say we don't get like two group now. Where we say then they fight for the same thing, but they be different leader. Dokubo he get his own lead group. Nnamdi Kanu in getting own group, but now the same thing that they fight for. But the two of them, they don't like each other, they hate each other. Now the right man of Nnamdi Kanu, now the former right man, he don't go meet Dokubo now say, okay, oh, now you I won't come meet now. So they don't join themselves together now. They talk say the suffering of Igbo people say it don't dey enough. They talk say they want establish themselves as the country where we say them be before the amalgamation, where they call them for the amalgamation of people where we say they join them together by fire by force. One man like that, one American man where we say he join Nigerian people by force, say Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, everybody join together. And then Dokubo come talk say okay, oh, Ingo make sure say all the Igbo people then gain freedom and then they free from person they call Nnamdi Kanu. This now don't they become young pepes kata. You guys not forget say the lawyer of Nnamdi Kanu himself talk and say some IPOB member they issue death threats on top the same issue. My own thing be say how and why, how will IPOB people, how will they, as in this mission we say they get for front, this mission of IPOB, so we say it talks okay they want to save the Igbo people. Now how will they achieve it with this kind of thing? We say that they try now. Imagine this kind of thing now. They fight each other and at the same cause and the same mission all of them get. Now they know they hear them they themselves again now. Get to forget say some governors then they against these IPOB people. Some governors then they in support of this IPOB stuff. Now people will say that they create this IPOB together now. They don't they turn their back say Nnamdi Kanu na tifo, Nnamdi Kanu they do this thing no, he don't turn them to business venture, Nnamdi Kanu don't turn this thing no, Nnamdi Kanu say talk say all the money we say they generate say now only Nnamdi Kanu they do this thing, they swallow am. The Kupo say talk am again. He talk say all the money say Nnamdi Kanu they work. But in they spend money, they travel, go everywhere. When they see the money, so now we don't get two different group now, Nnamdi Kanu and Dokubo now. So they fight for the same cause. I just hope say it's not going to lead to another young pepes kata for Igbo people now. Now the thing with they gonna now only God know who go watch the course where this man where in place on Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB as a whole. Only God know who go watch them. We see they find the prophet where go watch that course away them because he talk say he don't lay a big course, he don't withdraw in blessing from IPOB people. So now the cost now. Now they everybody they watch we say so the thing as they be now. Igbo people. I don't know what's they happen for your side. Come bless you say people know hear yourself clearly again. The oneness, it be like say the thing not day again from the leader to the last one of you. Come bless you say the thing not day again now. Make people go back this man making remove the cost. We say he don't talk say he don't remove. We say he talk say he don't place. On now they can on the iPod. And here I go see you too. We see you see on top of the matter the cost where this man place. Who go help us remove am commands. Make I see my next edition. I remain your host MC Top Secret. Bye.